Just stay with your buddy. Okay, you can wait there if you want. Okay, come on.
Oh, heck no.
Take your time coming down. Okay? This foot here, let me guide this one, okay?
If I fully let go though, I'm smashing my head.
What?
Ow!
Slow down. There. That rock there, it's good. This foot here, you want to reach down to the floor. Keep that foot there. Reach this one here down to the floor. There. Now you're there.
Oh, heck no.
And I went that way.
Okay.
Alan,
You.
should I have brought Mike down here because he didn't want to do the belly crawl, or should I leave him over there?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear what you said.
I said, should I tell Mike to come through here, or should I leave him over there?
Leave him.
Okay, cool.
He knows where he's going.
He doesn't.
All the way up here.
Come down.
Yeah, to the right.
He said he'll just stay there by the entry.
Take your time. Take your time coming down. Okay? This foot here, you want to reach down a little bit more to, there's a ledge.
Right there?
Give me, no, not quite. Let this one go. Down more. Come on down. Use your arms to lower yourself. There. On a ledge, this one here, now reach all the way down to the floor.
Oh, I can't.
There.
Okay.
All the way down to the floor. There
Thank
go.
you.
Let me get out of the way. Go on.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's so dark.
You got it.
Your lost camper thing.
Okay, hold up a second. Wait till he's out of the way.
Sorry.
So, okay. You got it.
Yeah?
All right, there it goes. Okay, now use your arms to lower yourself
Where am
down
I going? What?
to the right.
Okay.
You put this foot here. There's a ledge below that foot. There.
Oh yeah.
Okay, and then this one here, you can go to the floor. Somebody lost their knee pad.
Was it me? No, it wasn't me.
You lost the knee pad.
They went that way, to the right.
Do I need to go forward or can I shuffle back?
You can go forward if you want. It's up to you, whatever you feel like doing.
This was so much easier last year. I tell you.
Yep.
Hey Alan.
You.
Do you go to any other caves apart from this? Like as in like tour it?
Yeah, I've been to a few caves.
Yeah.
I'm getting a little bit old to do a lot of that stuff.
Oh right.
So I do this now. And I enjoy this stuff.
That's it, isn't it? That's good.
It's fun. I get to teach kids.
What's the biggest group of kids you brought?
Oh,
Was it ours or was it
yeah, last year.
when we bought like 30?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that was huge.
that was a lot.
We didn't get to see too much of anything.
I genuinely don't know how. Yeah, I don't know how we made that. As in what? Is it flooding? Then don't worry about it. That's fine. Step in it if you want to then. Extra, read all about it. Where? Yo, who lost the knee pad? Someone's missing a knee pad.
Who's missing a knee pad?
No one's missing a knee pad, no?
Yeah, I know.
Here, look, knee pad.
You just tossed it in the hole! Yo!
Holy. Was that accidentally stepped in it?
Right there.
I think I accidentally stepped. Oh, You're on GoPro.
Riley, your hand on your soap.
What? That's useless.
Like and subscribe.
Look at this. Okay.
Alright, who peed in the cave?
Me.
Jackson.
Okay.
No, I did not.
Is my GoPro pointing in the right way?
Yeah.
Should we go now?
Yeah.
Where do we go?
Heck no.
Damn.
Okay. From here,
I dropped my ball.
there's,
You're not supposed to be playing with clay.
You literally got some in your hand as you said that.
well, you can play with it. We're just not supposed to take anything out, that's all.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, Jackson.
You can
Listen.
play with
Okay.
it as long as you don't take it.
This room here has, okay,
10
one,
exits. 10. Where do you get 10?
1, 2, 3, 4. Has 4 ways to get out. Okay?
Where's the GoPro way?
This is the way we came in. That's the way we can get out. And go back up the chimney. If you look behind, I'm trying to see. Behind there's a passageway that goes up. Why do I have that later on? And that goes back up to the top of the chimney. I think it's over there somewhere. Behind me, there's another one that goes up and goes to the top of the chimney. And then there's one to my left up there. That's a crawl that goes into the catacombs. Okay, now it's tight in one part. Just the one part that's tight, okay? But it's very wide. Okay, very wide. So we're going to go out through there. Just anybody want to lead the trip?
Me?
Well,
I have the GoPro.
Sorry, man.
oh, dude, man,
I'm done. I apologize. I mean, I'll go in time.
man, she's gonna get you back
That
there.
really messed up.
She's
Push him
gonna,
in the water. He feels
she's
like
gonna get you back.
I didn't
All right,
mean to do that.
if you guys want to start going, you can start going.
Stop, guys.
See if you can find your way out.
Does anyone not want to go through the catacombs?
Is this the way to catacombs, right? Is the catacombs a crawl?
Yeah, it's a long crawl.
Everyone's gonna do it, yeah?
Catacombs?
Huh? What way is the catacombs? Left.
This way, right?
To the left, there's a shelf right there somewhere.
That?
Yeah. I think that's it. It's right here
What's a
somewhere.
catacomb?
I just can't see from this angle.
Like tall and whatever. The catacomb is a 20-minute crawl.
What's a catacomb?
Okay, there's only one section that's very tight, and it's like, when I go through it, my chest's on the floor, my back's on the ceiling. But other than that,
Wait,
it's,
are we gonna have to go back through the hole?
No.
no, no.
It leads out like a maze, so you'll go through.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you just have to find your way out. Wait, I can't see. No, I'm sorry. Can I get a picture?
Yes, it's not on my lot.
Human bones. There's some human bones here?
Wait, what's the catacomb?
Yo, you shake your head like you don't care that there's a dead body.
In front. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
That's
they're
it.
the underground tunnels that lead to that you're not allowed to go through. They're like the wall tunnels.
Right there. That's it.
Is that what's
Go that way.
No, that's way for the
This way?
Go that way.
Wait, does it get smaller in
Kind
there?
of hang to the left, and then go straight.
Can I go another way or no?
Hebe!
Where's your buddy?
Ah,
Your buddy
stop.
go-
Don't do that.
Jackson's right there.
I'd like to
Where's
keep
my
us
buddy?
together, but
I don't
That's
know.
the buddy
That's
call?
Yeah.
We don't too.
That's the
Jackson, who's your buddy?
Right there.
Oh.
that's the
Oh,
belly
wait,
call.
where's your buddy?
yeah.
Wait, Sapphire, where's your
I
buddy?
don't know.
Right here, right here.
You'll be fine. You're gonna do it.
Wait, Sarah?
Yeah.
I didn't do it.
You really should. I'd like to keep
40
everybody together.
minutes in that thing?
No, not 20 minutes.
You got it.
20 feet.
Ah, good man.
Unless you're only.
What do you think is like the timing of it being in there?
Huh? It's not long yet.
It's not that far, really.
Sorry.
Is it that give you go smash the
Ella, do you mind if we go before you?
Yo, come up
Wow,
here.
Lincoln Log stopwatch.
Sissy's a
Bro, come up here.
No, I did not say that. Girl, you were.
Ella, let me put one on
You
you.
literally jumped
Go
over.
again.
Wait, I don't want it.
I won't put it on your lips.
Go again.
I got it.
You're going too
I can see it, trust me, I promise.
Let me just here.
Nah, I've got beard hair. I've got beard hair. It's beard.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh, that's it.
Why you can't play on it
Two
for?
like pieces on there.
You're just spearing it.
Ella, can we have like longer showers?
Ah, she
Can you
did.
wait for your what?
Longer
I've
showers.
got a shrink for.
No, I've got a shower too. You know.
Are you going
through
Please,
your
go in the
What,
shower.
what's that?
I heard boys have unlimited time.
shower? At the end. But when we get
Guys,
back.
take your
We're
time.
gonna be in
Thank God.
like the band for 3 hours.
Please, Ella.
Did you ever get stuck in this?
You
Alright,
did it too, see?
It's only clay, look, it dries.
No offense.
Well, I'm gonna try. No offense to you, but I'm gonna
Hey,
try
John.
and break as soon as I get back.
Okay.
I'm gonna try and get other people to take my
Eventually,
I really don't want to. I really don't want to do
Eventually,
this
like,
crawl.
Taking me off
So
and
take
like
the
gassing me and
Wait, then
stuff,
whose
but I just
money
don't
is
get
he?
that energy.
Yeah.
Mine.
Oh, come on.
That's mine. Jack's my buddy.
Right, good stuff. You want GoPro?
Oh my god, this is tight.
I'm making the best video.
No, he's not. You're representing college Scotland.
I am.
Good.
Oh, that's what she
College
said.
Scotland is
I'm
pretty
close.
bad.
Goggin.
College
Goggin.
Sorry.
I'm
Wow,
close.
that was.
They said I was tight.
I'm sorry. Ella, I'm cooked with you. I'm gonna pull it up, Ella.
Could there be real diamonds in here or somewhere?
No,
Oh, Ella.
we're
No.
not in Minecraft.
Oh, I thought we were.
Ella, please.
You can't just dig underground and find diamonds.
My knee thing is down by my.
Let's go down that way.
Same. Mine's fucking
Where's the belly
That's the easy
crawl?
way. I wanna go
Wait,
do
so are you
That's
going
the
after
easy
her?
My kneepad is gonna be falling
We're
We're going
out.
this way.
Like, fold it.
And then go after you.
Jackson, where's your buddy?
Oh my gosh, he's right here. I'm right here. Hello. I told you.
I was just double checking.
Where's Ella's
Okay.
one? Ella's gone.
Oh, so sassy, this one, I tell you.
You don't even know me.
Never mind.
You got an attitude problem, bro.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you ain't touching my knee. You see that knee pad? It's like a pillow.
I'm actually puffed out.
Go on, you see.
Oh,
Ella's
Yeah.
It's supposed to like go down here.
Yeah.
Go on your stomach.
I'm not gonna be able to leave.
I'm scared. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god.
Bro, who farted, bro? Nah, because that's not in there.
Why is it red?
Let me go. I can't. I don't want to be my way.
If somebody stops, I'm just.
That's why I do this. It's so
It
funny.
is so funny. Nah, it actually is.
Let me see it.
Oh, heck no.
No, you want that stuff.
The guy never got stuck. Alvin never got stuck. So no, why would you? Bro,
I can't even see where
Okay,
I'm
grab
going.
your feet.
Have you ever been stuck?
don't give me that one.
Yeah.
Good luck. Oh, it is smaller than I thought.
It's tight, but it's
It's enough to move.
yeah, it's enough to move.
Oh, Alvin, what way we go?
Just take your time.
Alan,
What?
which way do we go?
Straight.
Straight, he said. Straight.
Take a big passage.
I'm claustrophobic. Oh well. There's 2 ways. Yeah, oh well. There's 2 ways.
What does claustrophobic mean?
Means you don't like small spaces.
There's 2 ways.
I like small spaces.
What are the 2 ways?
What are the 2 ways?
Pick one.
Pick one or pick one.
Pick one.
What's the safest way to go?
Just pick one and figure it out.
What's the safest way to go, Alan?
Just pick one.
Why you, you're Alan?
This is cave exploring. It's not a guided trip.
Yeah, pick one and figure it out.
If I die here,
What? Who are you gonna tell? Jackson, nobody.
you.
Yeah?
Oh, heck no.
Don't
Yo,
push
I
it.
can't
Good.
look. Oh, I see. What do you mean?
What?
Help! Are you okay? He's not even in yet.
What do you need? They don't need anything.
They're just like yelling.
Yep. I think Alan's their safety word.
Then they're really in trouble.
This is mad wide. I'm gonna just lay down here, bro. It don't matter.
Yo! Whoa! Get the phone!
What?
There's a big ball.
Where?
Oh, that's not big.
Where? Oh, heck no.
No, it's not big. Yeah, I'm touching it right now. I'm touching it.
Oh.
No, you don't. Alan said no, you don't. Are you guys still picking which way to go? Yeah. Go straight, Alan said. Let's go straight.
Damn. Alan, you got him stressing.
Wait, Alan's coming?
I'm definitely gonna say. Like me.
Okay. I'm gonna turn it this way, see what happens.
Oh, this girl fell on the stick.
Please comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.